What is an anxiety disorder? In life, everyone experiences anxiety from time to time. This includes both adults and children. For most people, feelings of anxiety come and go, only lasting a short time. Some moments of anxiety are briefer than others, lasting anywhere from a few minutes to a few days. But for some people, these feelings of anxiety are more than just passing worries or a stressful day at work. Your anxiety may not go away for many weeks, months, or years. It can worsen over time, sometimes becoming so severe that it interferes with your daily life. When this happens, you have an anxiety disorder. There are a number of anxiety disorders, and here we look at GAD, Generalized Anxiety Disorder. This is characterised by persistent and excessive worry about a number of different things. People with GAD may anticipate disaster and may be overly concerned about money, health, family, work or other issues. Individuals with GAD find it difficult to control their worry. They may worry more than seems warranted about actual events or may expect the worst, even when there is no apparent reason for concern. The worry causes physical symptoms in the body, such as headaches, stomach upset, or trouble sleeping. Anxiety disorders are among the most common mental health problems. Up to 1 in 20 people in the UK have a generalised anxiety disorder. Please seek medical advice if you identify with any of these symptoms.